Hello guys! Welcome to the Friends of Magalies hiking route. It's part of the Friends of Magalies and mountain bike trails. As you guys will see the location below and on the map, we are gonna do the purple route out and come back with the blue. This mountain we're gonna walk alongside is basically the mountain that splits Montana and the north of Pretoria and the Moot. So yeah, join us on this journey. Are you ready for it?
I'm ready, I'm positive. We found the fountain! Gorgeous!
So we've made it to the turning point where we turn up to go up to the small mountain here. So about 3 kilometers away from where we started. We're gonna trek up to the mountain here and then walk on top of it, and then we'll show you the amazing view you've been missing out on.
So, I would suggest what to bring with: a cap, proper tackies or hiking boots. I think a bag with enough water, maybe a snack, and put on sunscreen in the summer. And what else?
I think that should do it.
And a new pair of lungs when you're unfit like me to replace it with. Almost there. Hope you know.
when you finally reach the top and you're a bit out of breath, at least when you look around, you can look at this amazing view. It's such an incredible experience to sit here and watch this view. It's views for days.
And when you're on top of the mountain, Magalies, and you face north, you'll see the whole Montana area. So over here you can see Wonderboom High School, and over there Wonderboom Airport, and you can even see Bonacor Dam there. And check this beautiful sunset. Beautiful. And if the sun is setting there, we're facing south and we see the moat. Hallo moot mense. You can even see this Telkom tower in the far, and if you look close you can see the Voortrekker monument on the horizon and the whole Arcadia sunny side, and you can even see tomorrow coming.
As we are walking along this ridge line, I just thought I'll take a minute and explain to you guys that we started this channel to show people that even with what they consider a 9-to-5 job, you can still explore more and take the road less traveled. Even though this is good for your fitness, I think it's better for your mental health to just get out of the house after a hard day's work, just explore and be in nature and watch the view. I mean, look at the view behind me. How insane is that? To be able to just come to a place and sit and watch the view. Obviously it is getting pretty dark now, but keep in mind that we stopped a lot to make videos and stuff to bring this content to you. So if you come and do this, you should be able to do this before the sun sets. And just for the 1-star Google reviewers, just keep in mind all the routes are not clearly marked, but there are so many of them, so each time you come back you can just take a new route, which makes it a lot more fun to just come every time and take the same route. So this view is amazing. Just look at that amazing sunset with the view of Montana. How lucky are we to be living in this beautiful country with amazing sights and sunsets to enjoy. Such a good feeling. We'll see you at the bottom. South African sunset just never disappoints. So beautiful, and I understand why they call us the golden hour. It's so beautiful. And we're crossing back over to the moat side so we can go back to the start. But yeah, this is the view. High five, we've made it this far.
Almost done.
Yes, it's actually a pretty insane view as well. There's the gold there on the side. Hello guys, sorry we forgot to film the outro when we got back to the parking. We're back home safely now. The route we hiked was about 6.5 kilometers.
And we had an elevation gain of 110 meters. And it was easy to moderate, not too bad.
No, wasn't too bad. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.